Hi and welcome back to my plot up here in West Yorkshire. Plants grow up. It's been raining all day, but I've managed to come up here and the sun's come out. Can you hear the cat? She's on there, look. She's waiting for her dinner. So that's what I'm going to do. Just give her dinner. Just going to go get her dishes out at greenhouse. You alright, pussycat? Oh, you're nice and warm. We've been sitting in that sunshine. Go get your dishes. How come this dish is always full of mud? Hey lady, it's always full of muck. Just gonna go get her food out at the shed. Sorry for just going off the picture. Give her a packet of these. You can't eat the food up here. So is this your new feeding station now, aren't you, lady? Just hold on a minute then. You can have it up here if you want. But I shouldn't really feed you if you're used to one place, so you can have it in the greenhouse. Come on. Come on, lady. Oh, steady. I know you're starving, aren't you? Here you go. Get her some biscuits as well. Put this packet in the bin. It's a carrier bag actually. I know I've gone off shot again. Good at doing that, aren't I? Let's just shut with the biscuits. We'll put these in greenhouse and then she's sorted for today. Here you go, lady. Dish your cat biscuit. That's alright, I'm not going to hurt you. Dish your cat biscuits as well. Yeah, she's sorted out now. Just going to put some biscuits in this other dish for the other cats. Just going to put them over here underneath this container so they don't get wet if it rains again. Yeah. You do look funny, lady, without your feathers in your tail. I'm just going to quickly clean the chicken coop out. I'll put you on a time lapse. Don't you be going in there, lady. She's going to go and eat the cat food. Oh, God. I'm just going to quickly clear the chicken coop out because it looks like it's going to rain again. Well, I fed the cat. Clean the chicken coop out. There's some biscuits over there, lady, in that container. You won't go in greenhouse because the chicken's there. She's absolutely scared to death of that chicken. Which is probably good in one way, but not in another. Oh, there's a wasp. Go away. It's after that spoon with the cat food on. Just go put that in there. Come on. Oh, sweet piece of fallen over. They smell lovely. Just fill the chicken's dish up and food. Don't put much in because she's not eating a lot since she's been molting. Just go put this in the chicken's chicken coop. What I'm going to start doing today is cleaning that brassica cage out. Let me just show you. I'm going to see if I can make a start and taking all these weeds out of here. It won't take me 2 minutes to do that, I don't think. Right, I've cleared it. Took me a bit longer than I thought. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cover it all up with some horse manure. And then leave it until next year. Right, I filled the brassica cage up with the horse manure. So that should be all ready and composted down by next year. The wind's getting up again now. I'll just show you the inside of the greenhouse from yesterday because I couldn't really show you because of the rain. So I'm going to cut them down in a minute. So that's all clear now. Now them pots there are going to get emptied into my compost bin. And that's going to be all cleaned out for next spring. This is how I wanted to film the video yesterday, but with the rain, as you know, my phone would have got wet through. I'm just going to empty that into there. And I'll put you on a time lapse for a rest. There, they're all cut back. I put them tomatoes in that jar just so I wouldn't stand on them. Oh God, they stink. Oh, blow my neck. Them tomatoes in that jar, oof, wee, they smell. I'm not going to leave them in greenhouse because when I open that door tomorrow, it'll knock me back. I'm just going to go stick them on top of my compost heap. Well, this was only a little video. I've sorted my brassica cage out, cut them tomato plants back, sorted plot out a little bit, fed the cats, sorted the chicken out, cleared the chicken coop, and now I'm going home. So if you like these videos, please subscribe and I'll put another one up next week. Hope you have a lovely weekend. Bye.